Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Since Halloween is around the corner, I thought I'll do something with special effects. I'm thinking something along the lines of like a slit throat and slit mouth. Very pretty, very normal. So yes, let's get started. I'm gonna start off with the slit throat, which I have no idea how I'm gonna do it. Never done anything besides my face, but we'll see as the flow goes. So I've got some cotton, liquid latex, the usual. So to start off, I'm gonna put a layer of latex and place layers of the cotton on top, thin layers to build up. So I've got just a little bit of latex here, and I want the slit like roughly here. You want to put it thin layers and with no harsh edges, so it blends into your skin pretty easily. You want to try blend it to get the edges seamless onto your skin so it looks natural. And while this is drying, we're going to start with the mouth. To sculpt the slit mouth, I'm going to try using scalp gel. I've never used it before. Perfect time to try it. It comes in 3 parts and you mix them all together and it becomes kind of like silicone. So I'm going to mix part A with part B first and then add part C afterwards. But with this, it's very important that besides when you want to use it, none of them come in contact with each other, otherwise it will set in the container, which will mess up all your product. And you have to work pretty quickly. Now we're just gonna wait for both of them to dry. I'm just gonna put some colorless setting powder over the sculpting gel, just so it's not sticky. So off camera, I just went and I cut a slit here. I didn't want to do it here. I actually didn't want to cut my neck. I like my neck. So now I'm going to take some alcohol activated paint. These alcohol activated paints with 99% alcohol, and I'm going to use that to add a bit of pink to this area because it's got a yellow tinge. Put foundation on the top, it's going to look very detached from your skin and not as natural. And we want to make it as natural as possible. We'd rather have a pink undertone showing through since it is meant to look inflamed. Your neck is sliced open. So you'd rather have more of a pink undertone showing through the foundation than a yellow undertone. Now that I look weird, like a weird clown, foundation clown. So off camera, I'm just going to quickly do my foundation. It's pretty straightforward, foundation all over. And I'll be back looking slightly different. And now that my face is set and I look like a blank canvas, I'm going to do the glam makeup first. I'm going to do like a red smoky eye leaning towards more darkish colors, and then I'm going to do the gory bloody part after. Now that I've finished my eyes, I'm going to start with filling in the cuts with dark eyeshadow, black eyeshadow, kind of to give it depth. Yeah, and I'll show you that as I go. I'm going to use this flat brush. Just go in carefully. Using reds and browns to stress the outside, make it irritated. Now that this is basically done, I'm just gonna put some lipstick. This is the shade Unicorn Blood from Jeffree Star. It was one of the eyeshadow brushes I used that has a little bit of product. I'm just gonna pass it around my lips. And now quickly off camera, I'm just going to put some false lashes on and mascara, and I'll be back. Now that I'm back, time for the best part, which is my favorite part, which is the scablet, which we're just going to place in here and along the slits, and then add some liquid blood, and we're finished. And now for the smile.